Dear friends, please get ready to take down dictation at the rate of 120 words per minute. Paper 2, that is elaboration of technical examinations of Tamil Nadu of November December 1980. It is very important to practice second paper also along with paper 1 because we are appearing for this examination also. We have to attempt. That's why please concentrate on second paper also. This dictation contains 5 minutes and 5 letters are there. The content is important but not the omissions. If omissions are there, there is no need to worry. Please concentrate. 5 seconds. Number 1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Electricity Board for construction of houses for the low paid employees at Anna Nagar, Madras. Last date for receipt of tenders 3 p.m. on 15th January. Tenders received after the date will not be accepted. Tenders will be opened at 4 p.m. same day in the presence of tenderers or their agents. Tender forms and other particulars obtainable from the board office on any working day during office hours on payment of rupees 5 in cash. This amount is not refundable. Tenders are liable to be rejected without assigning any reasons. Only those who have previous experience in construction work and who are licensed for the same need apply. Draft tender notice. Number 2. A large industrial house requires a young and dynamic sales officer for one of its branches in Trichy. He will, in due course, take charge from branch manager and will have to manage the sales and the accounts side of the branch also. Applicant should be above 21 years of age and below 30 years. Age relaxable in exceptional cases. Those with experience will be preferred. Salary rupees 1000 net. Commission on sales will be allowed. Candidates should be fluent in English and Tamil. Working knowledge of other languages will be in asset. Application should be sent within 10 days. Draft advertisement and application for the same. Number 3. There was a bus accident near Karur on the early morning of 7th January. There was continuous rain for 3 days. A bus carrying 40 passengers was crossing a small bridge. There was sudden flood in the river and the bus began struggling. After some time, the flood waters carried the bus away with the passengers. Some jumped from the floating bus but were carried away by the flooding waters. Most of the passengers lost their lives. The bus crew also were lost in the flood waters. Some persons who were going to the fields came to the aid and were able to save 5 passengers. Police were informed and relief operations were started. First aid was given to the survivors. Give an eyewitness account of the accident. Number 4. Under the auspices of the Civic Welfare Association of Kattur, the birth centenary of Periyar was celebrated for 3 days during the last week of December. Eminent speakers participated in the celebrations, which was inaugurated by the Chief Minister. The great qualities of Periyar were recaptured by the various speakers. There was a drama every night depicting the social reform of Periyar. The meetings were attended by huge crowds every day. There was a procession on the last day when the portrait of Periyar was taken out on a decorated elephant along a 5 mile route. The celebrations concluded on the third day and the Minister for Information gave the concluding address. Prepare the proceedings of the same. Number 5. The annual general meeting of the Mylapore Fund will be held at 3 p.m. on 20th January. The meeting will have to elect a board of directors consisting 5 members. All the retiring directors are eligible for re-election. The audited accounts of the previous year has to be approved. The annual report for the year ending December will have to be approved. The meeting has also to lay down the policy for the sanction of jewel loans and other loans to its members. Bonus for the employees to be declared. Any other subject for which members have given notice will be considered. Members are requested to attend. They are eligible to attend by proxy. Draft notice convening the general body.